Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another AMC video. In this video, we'll be covering problem number 20 from the 2024 exam. So let's get started. Okay, so any three vertices of the cube PQRSTUVW shown in the figure below can be connected to form a triangle. For example, vertices PQR can be connected to form isosceles PQR. How many of these triangles are equilateral and contain P as a vertex? Okay, so what is this problem asking us? It's asking us how many ways or how many equilateral triangles can we make using P as a vertice and connecting other vertices to P to form an equilateral triangle. Okay, so how can we approach this? Well, first, what is an equilateral triangle? To review, an equilateral triangle is nothing but a triangle in which all three sides will be equal. And that means all the angles will also be equal. Okay, so what does this mean for our problem? Well, we need to find how we can form an equilateral triangle using the vertices, using especially P, right? So what vertices can we use as options? Well, our only four options will be R, Q, V, or no, not four, sorry, R, V, and T, because they're all equal distance away from P. Okay, so can we form an equilateral triangle using like connected vertices that are connected with the edges? And the answer is no. This is because in the end, no matter which two vertices we choose, we'll have to end up connecting them with a diagonal anyways. See? So this is why all our sides must be a diagonal in order for this to work. Okay, that's why our options are going to be R, V, and T, to recap. So let's list out our options. That's one way to do it. So we can do P, R, R to V, and V to T. Wait, no. V to P. Yeah, that would be an equilateral triangle. So let's list that here. So P, R, V. That's one. We can also do P to R. And then that is going to go to T. And that is going to go to P. That also works. So triangle P, R, T. And we can also go to P to V. Then that will go to T. Let me draw that better. That will go to T. And that will go to P. Okay, so that's going to be another triangle. Triangle P, V, T. Okay, are there any more combinations? How can we check this? We can't just spend time guessing and checking because that's just going to take too much time. And remember, we don't have much time on this exam. So instead of that, we can do 3, choose 2. You may be asking why 3? Well, that's because P doesn't necessarily count because that's going to be part of any combination anyway. So we just exclude that and consider our options of R, V, and T. And obviously we're going to choose 2 of them. So, okay, now going back to 3, choose 2, that's just going to be 3 factorial over 2 factorial, which is going to be just 3. So therefore, our answer for this problem is going to be 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video about cubes and equilateral triangles. And the key idea in this problem was to think through what truly makes up an equilateral triangle. And by understanding these foundational things, we can easily either list everything out or use our handy combinations tricks. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.